Hey, my name's Chris. Yeah, so I've been working at Target. I've been kicked out of it so many times.
Boy, get my stupid blanket!
You're so stupid. I don't know why.
What's your name?
My name's Chris.
Are you a ninja? Really? Go!
Why is it so dark? Why is there a guy with a paper mask? Why is there a TV? Hyperventilation. My friend Calvin does it. Yes, it's better. But too much drama, man. Why'd you have to go through all that? If you just, like, wanted to give me money, I mean, I know you are the manager of wherever. Is that a bottle rocket? Right there. Over there.
That's my bottle rocket! This is my
I think he just left. Okay. I don't know what to do. Okay. What? Holy crap!
This time it's for real!
Ah!